Got the dually back to the shop. I'm going to start tearing this thing apart, pull the battery out, the alternator, the heater line, some other stuff so I can get to this oil cooler. I believe that's the problem. If not, it'll probably be a head gasket. Then I'll have to play with that. I'll turn you guys around, pause the video. All right, so as you know, I got oil where it's not supposed to be, and this overflow tank is, I don't know, probably a quarter of the way full. Probably not quite, I don't know. It's hard to see, but the level's like right down here somewhere. Maybe a little lower. But all that's oil, not supposed to be in there. So I'll probably do a time lapse or something of pulling this thing apart. My crap. No, I haven't had this dually very long, and I really haven't had much apart on it. I just pulled the bolt out of this mount right down here, right there, the alternator mount. Look at this bolt, look at that. Then I lifted this up, boom. That is lovely. I guess 900 million horsepower will do that. Something Power Stroke and Duramax guys don't understand. Looks like that'll be getting replaced, or I don't know. May shove a bushing in it and weld it. I have no idea. Yippee. And we're back. I got alternators off, oil's drained, oil filters removed, intake's removed, that was removed before. The supply line is off for the turbo, and also whatever person designed this at Cummins is an absolute fool, or maybe it was over at Holstat. Either way, this right here is absolutely retarded. I don't know why it's not a taper lock fit instead of this. It's flat down here on this fitting. See it? Flat. This is flat. And there's a little tiny O-ring in there. Why? Why can't you just do a taper lock? I mean, how hard is it? Also, there's an O-ring right there. I'm gonna replace both of those. And whoever assembled this put pipe dope on it. I mean, why? Why? I don't get it. Anyways, all that junk's removed. So I drained the oil. Looks like oil. There's nothing special about it. I just changed it like 2,000 miles ago. Then this happens. Waste of oil, waste of filter. Oh well. Keep it going. It'll be fine. I'm gonna go dump this in the barrel I got, and then I'm going to drain the coolant or the coolant oil mixture that's sitting in my radiator. Oh, I'll try to shine a light in here so I can show you guys what's up. So, this much, hard to see, that much drained out all over the floor. Yeah, it's everywhere. It's all drained out to about where the sludge begins, I believe. We're gonna drain it out. Hopefully not on the floor, but if it goes on the floor, it goes on the floor. And then I'll have the big old freaking mess to clean up. There's oil in here too. I showed you that earlier. But I took the battery out, gave me more room. And when you do that, take the terminals off this battery. I stuck rags underneath them so it's not making contact. So I'm not arcing against wrenches and against the fender and everything else over here. But I'm gonna go dump this and I'll be back. Okay, I turned the petcock and it's draining. I didn't turn it very much because I didn't want to get soaked. But figured out I really don't want to be here all night watching coolant drain. So I'll probably get wet again and open it some more. And I'll see if I can't get my camera all covered in crap like I am. Show you guys what I'm working with. These guys starting to get nasty now. Jeez, too tight. Alright, I'm gonna need to get my pliers. Okay, I said screw it, pulled the whole petcock out. Whoever designed this, like many Cummins parts, absolutely retarded. Why would you do that? I may need to pressurize it to blow that crap out. I know I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to clean it out with water, Dawn dish soap, let it warm up, drain it, do that about 5 times until it comes out clear. And I'm gonna need to check my thermostat because that's probably all plugged up. It's right here. Somebody's been in there, replaced the bolts before. That's always fun. Because you know it's gonna be screwed up. Alright, I guess we'll check that. We're waiting on this thing to drain. Oh yeah. Now it's getting brown. And more brown than what it was. Alright, I'm gonna pull the thermostat and see what it looks like. Actually, what's in here? No, still got crap in there. Alright, I'll be back. Yes, I love it. Wrong bolt. Focus. Focus. Oh my gosh. Anyways, wrong bolt. Wrong hole. Wrong bolt, wrong hole. Wrong bolt, wrong hole. Wrong hole, wrong bolt. Jeez, people. Don't you know the difference between metric and English? Apparently not. Apparently not. This is terrible. Terrible. Also, I say also a lot in videos. This is retarded. I'm a cool cat now because I got an Apple Watch. In all regards, I'm just waiting to break it. They basically gave me the thing. Not really, but it's included in the cost somewhere. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Isn't that nice? There's not even a gasket on here. Oh my gosh. What the heck? What the heck? This thing is full of oil. Or a mixture. A good healthy mixture. Secret recipe of a 2nd gen. Let's see. Let's see. Oh yes. Look at that. Look at that. Gosh, I'm about to flush this out for, I don't know, 57 years probably. Let's have a look at the thermostat. Let's see. Yep. Gonna get a new one. Oh my gosh. I can't believe. All right, I'm gonna set this right here. I guess I'll clean this up, some brake clean. Probably paint it pink. What do you guys think? Paint it pink, paint it orange, paint it black. I don't know. As I got the crap apart, I might as well just paint it. Yeah, it's not gonna match rust, but it'll look better than rust. And it adds horsepower. Always do modifications that add horsepower. Paint everything on here. Paint the turbo brown. Paint this pink. Paint the heater lines brown. Paint the caution fan like a neon green. I don't know. Whoever worked on this truck before, call me, because I'm gonna yell at you about a lot of stuff. Yes, I use wrenches to plug holes, but that's not permanent. That's just like, I don't know, overnight temporary kind of deal. And I'm not even... Okay, I got 3 bolts left. The top of the cooler. Rest of them are out. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. I put them all up here just like every other redneck in the world. Right on top of my radiator. So, I'm gonna put you guys on the stand. I'm gonna pull those bolts out, then I'm gonna pull it out. And make a mess. Because that's what I'm good at. Man, this thing's a pain. Of course. Camera's dirty. Wipe it off of my dirty shirt. Alright. Let's stick ya. Well, you can't see that. Right here. That looks good. As long as you don't fall down there. Ooh, I about fell down there.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Made in USA. That's what I like to see. Too bad it's leaking. Oh well. All right, adios.